Welcome to learncaenow channel. In general, the best way to start learning a software is to quickly understand the features of the software and start practicing directly, rather than reading a text. In this tutorial, CAD modeling of a fixture using Solidworks 2019 will be demonstrated. We will start creating our part by clicking on File, New, Part, OK. Make sure that all your units are in millimeter, gram, second, as our drawing will be in millimeter. Now we will draw our sketch on the front plane, so we will click on the front plane, Sketch. Now we will start drawing a rectangle shape. We will start dimensioning. This line is 70 millimeters. Now we draw a line and a tangent arc. And we will draw a tangent arc on this point to this point. Now we need to check that this line is tangent to this line and this line. Now you can see a tangent relation here. Now the sketch is black, because it is fully defined sketch, and that's what we need in almost every sketch. Now we need to select our sketch and go to Feature panel. And now in selected contours we need to specify which area we need to extrude. Set the value of extrusion to be 40 millimeters. Uncheck the merge result to make sure that each part is separate. Now we will select the sketch another time and make an extrusion. Now we need to cut a triangular shape from this part and this part. So we need to do another sketch on the right plane. Now we will draw a line from any point here to this point, and we will use the Smart Dimension. Now we need to close the triangular shape by drawing two lines. Now we need to extrude the sketch in reverse direction. We are almost done, but we need to make a hole in this area. Now we will use Smart Dimension to set the distance. We now have our center point for that circle. Now we need to make a cut for this circle, so we will click on Sketch and choose Extrude. Thanks for watching. Kindly comment and subscribe.